In this video, I will show you how to automate your actual work using Perplexity Comet. And trust me, this is going to change how you think about browsers. Okay, real question. How many hours do you waste every week just clicking around? Opening 20 tabs, copy-pasting information, researching competitors, or organizing data. Doing the same repetitive tasks over and over again. What if your browser could just do that for you? Not help you, do it for you. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to deep dive into Perplexity Comet and I'm going to show you how to actually use this thing, not just talk about what it can do. Here is what we are going to cover in this video. First, we will see what Comet actually is and how is it different from the other AI tools. Number 2, we will look at 5 real-world automation workflows that you can start using today. 3, we will also look at the privacy stuff that you need to know before you go all in by using Comet. And finally, we will see how to think about this as a work system and not just as a browser. By the end of this video, you will actually know how to automate hours of repetitive work. So let us start with what Perplexity Comet is. It is basically a Chrome plus ChatGPT plus a personal assistant, all built into one intelligent browser. But here's the key difference, guys. Normal browsers help you read things, but Comet helps you get things done. Think about your typical workflow right now. You are probably researching in one tab, taking notes in another, copy-pasting it into a doc, and switching between tools constantly. Basically, you're manually organizing everything. Comet changes the entire game. It can read all your open tabs, understand the context of what you're working on, fill out your documents, draft emails, scan websites for specific information, and even monitor things for you over time. This works in 2 ways. Number 1, there's a main chat window for bigger multiple step projects. And number 2, there's a side assistant that pops up on any web page for quick help. So instead of doing the work with a tool, the tool is actually doing the work for you. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. Let us start with something that every marketer and founder deals with: competitor research. In the old ways, you open 10 different websites and basically you're comparing pricing pages, reading feature lists, checking testimonials, copying information into a spreadsheet or a Notion doc. That is easily 2 to 3 hours of work. You open all your competitor websites in tabs. Let us say you're comparing 5 different project management tools. Then you just tell Comet, analyze all open tabs and create a feature comparison table. That's it. After this, Comet reads every single tab, extracts the key features, compares pricing, identifies strengths and weaknesses, create an actual organized reports in minutes. Not hours, guys, in minutes. And here's the best part. You can then say export this to Google Docs and it does it automatically. Think about what this means actually. If you're doing competitive analysis every once a month, or let us say if you're doing it weekly, it can save you hours and even days of work. Now let us look at another workflow, guys. Research mode. We have all been there. You're deep diving into a topic, you've got 20 tabs open, and you're trying to piece together information from different sources. Your brain is overloaded and you've lost track of what you even read. Comet has something called as Research Workspaces that changes this completely. It intelligently groups your tabs into projects and then actually reads everything for you. So instead of reading through 10 articles and trying to synthesize them in your head, you just ask, read everything and summarize the key ideas for me. Or you can ask, find common themes across all these sources. Or even better, show me where these articles disagree. It's like having an AI analyst who reads everything, connects the dots and gives you insights. And here's something really powerful, guys. You can save these prompts as shortcuts. So let us say you do market research every week. You can create a shortcut called as market research analysis with your specific instructions. Next time, one command, full automation, no typing the same instructions over and over. This is how you turn your repetitive research into a system. Now let me take you through another use case, guys. This one is wild if you run any kind of business. Whether you are a freelancer, consultant, agency owner, or a coach, whatever you are, you're constantly looking for a potential clients, right? Comet can actually scan platforms like Reddit, forums, online communities, and find high intent buyers for you. Here's an example. Let us say you are a freelance SEO consultant. You tell Comet, find people asking for SEO help on Reddit in the last 7 days. Focus on business owners, not casual questions. That's it, guys. Comet will search relevant subreddits, filter for serious buyer questions, summarize the leads, even draft outreach messages. And the crazy part, you can schedule this to run weekly. So every Monday morning, you wake up to a list of warm leads who are actively looking for exactly what you offer. That's not just automation, guys. That's a free sales assistant working for you 24/7. Next automation workflow is for content creators and marketers. Creating SEO content usually means hours of research. You're looking at what's ranking, analyzing competitors' content, trying to figure out search intent, and building outlines. Comet can reverse engineer this entire process. Let us say you want to rank for AI tools for small businesses. You research the term in Google, then tell Comet, analyze the top 10 results and identify patterns. Comet will read all the top ranking articles, identify what they are doing right, extract the common structure, note what keywords they are targeting, figure out the search intent, then you say create an SEO content brief, and boom. You will get title suggestions, subheading structure, FAQs to include, keywords to target, content angle recommendations. This literally can replace expensive SEO tools for a lot of people. And more importantly, it saves you hours of planning time. Now let us move to the last workflow. And this one makes Comet feel like you hired an actual assistant. Imagine you have got meetings coming up. Instead of Googling people right before the call, I have a meeting with Dipinder Goyal from Zomato, prepare a brief. Comet will research the person, pull up company information, find recent news about their company, suggest talking points, and highlight anything relevant. Basically, you walk into the calls fully prepared, like you did hours of homework. But this goes beyond meetings, guys. Comet can add events to your Google Calendar, draft follow-up emails, organize your schedule, track updates on projects you care about. It's basically an office assistant that costs you nothing and never takes a break. Now, before you go automating everything, let me give you one serious warning. Comet works because it can see your browser's context. That's powerful. But it also means you need to be smart about what you let it access. I would suggest do not use Comet on banking websites, sensitive financial portals, and private company systems with confidential information. Here's the smart move, guys. Create a separate Google account just for Comet usage. One account for your AI-powered work and one account for your personal and sensitive stuff. Keep them separate and stay safe. Here's what I want you to understand about Comet. This isn't just a new feature or a cool tool. This is fundamentally different way of working. Instead of using tools to do your work, you're assigning your works to the tool. Instead of spending hours clicking around, you're spending minutes just directing automations. The people who figure this out early, they are going to have a massive advantage over everyone still doing things manually. Because while everyone is busy executing, you're busy strategizing. While they are researching, you're analyzing. While they are doing, you're directing. That's the shift, and Comet is one tool that makes it real. That's it, guys. If this video opened your eyes on what is possible, drop Comet in the comments and hit subscribe if you want more videos on AI automation, productivity systems, and how to actually work smarter instead of just talking about it. This channel is about building real systems and not chasing hype. I'll see you in the next one. Now go and automate something.